Okay, welcome to the weekly quiz, guys. Welcome. That was Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, if you didn't recognise that theme tune. Now, unfortunately, I don't have £1 million to give you if you get it all correct, but there are 17 sweet points up for grabs today. So how well did you do? Now, Operation Normal, if you haven't done the weekly quiz, what are you doing here? Go and find it on the website, go and print it off, go and have it in front of you, do your weekly quiz, and then come back and get the answers. And then you can enjoy the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire music again. Lucky you. If you have answered them all and you're feeling confident, let's get going and find out the answers to our weekly quiz. Okay, number one, round one is maths. So, what do you need to remember when adding fractions? For 1 point, did you get that the denominators must be the same? The bottom part of the fraction has to be the same if we are adding fractions. Number two, add 4/6 and 1/3. Now, I'm feeling quite nice today, so I would have accepted 3/3 or 6/6, or the proper answer, number one, because it adds up to one whole. Well done if you spotted that. And this next one, Serena and Chuck are adding fractions. Which one is correct? If you said Chuck is correct, give yourself 1 point. If you said Chuck is correct because, and you explained his answer, then you can get 2 points. But if you've only put Chuck, you get 1 point. I'm feeling nice, but I'm not feeling that nice. Okay, so there was a possible 4 points for maths today. How did you do? Let's move on to English. Okay, there are 5 points here because there is a sneaky bonus point in that first question. Can you name the biggest ride in Infinity Park for 1 point? It was the Vortex. And bonus points, if you remember the highest level, well, the highest G we had was 15G, which was when Liam felt like he was floating. Everything stopped. Weird. I don't know if I'd like to be at 15G. Okay, what does Eddie Xanadu do to get kicked off the space mission? Do you remember? There are 2 points available for this. He takes pictures of the machines and the kids, and then he tries to sell them to the toy company. Unfortunately, it's already owned by the same person who owns Infinity Park, so he gets found out and kicked off the mission, and she threatens to sue him as well. Not looking good for Eddie, is it? Okay. All right, could you correct the mistake in our sentence with the embedded clause? Yes, my comma was in the wrong place. It was after obsessing, but it should have been after Florida, because we're adding extra information about what she is doing. She is obsessing about celebrities, as usual. Okay, I hope you managed to spot that one. That's 1 point for that one comma move there. That's 5 points altogether, which is 19 points so far. No, not 19, 9. Oh dear, Miss Rutherford, it's been a long week and I can't add anymore. All right, welcome to art for 4 points, not 40 or 400. 4 points. What is the name of our artist this term? Well, it is Mr. Peter Thorpe, the excellent space artist, so I hope you managed to remember that. What kind of background does our artwork have? Well, it has an abstract art background, and you could have done it in any way you wanted. And the last one, up to 2 points, 1 per answer. You can get up to 2 points for this one. Write 2 ways you could make your rockets fly off the page. Okay, could you use contrasting colours? You could have black or white around the edge. You could use shading or a use of light. Or just the placement. Where did you place your rocket? In the middle of your artwork? At the top of your artwork because it's whooshing upwards? Which direction was it facing? Any of those. If you had 2 of them, you get 2 points. Okay, bonus. It's the bonus round. Okay, number 1. This is double points, so there's 4 points available. It has a thumb, but no hand. What is it? It is a glove. It has a thumb. It also has 4 fingers, but there's no hand in the glove itself. unless you are wearing it. And number 2, our final question. What would you find at the end of the universe? You'd find the letter E, because that's the last letter of the word universe. I hope you're not too angry with me for that one. All right, so how did you do? There were 17 points in total. How did you do? How many did you get this week? Give yourself a massive pat on the back, and I will see you next week. Happy Friday, guys. Bye.